Now let's begin for using a panel. We'll be drawing a graphics inside a panel. So first of all, go to this toolbox and all Windows controls, navigate to panel, drag and drop this panel. So default, there is no border, there is no background color. So we can change all these properties from here. So make it this border style fixed single. So you can see this is the single pixel size, border size we have added here. And give the good name here as we are going to use this panel in the background. Panel drawing. And then change this back color. So you're doing custom, make it white. So this white color we'll be using. And we'll give some appropriate size for here for our panel. So let's say this height we have, width we have given 200, make it this something 300, and this height as well, make something 300. So on this panel we are going to draw a graphics, all these things which we are doing on paint. So that should be, this is happening on the form. Now we wanted to do it on the panel. So this event, on paint event, we have to generate on paint event for the panel. So right click on again properties, and here you go to the events, and here you can see this paint. Just double click on it, it will generate panel drawing on paint event. So if you see on combo box selection, we were doing this invalidate. So this was representing a this form object. So this we have to do for the panel. So here I'll do PNL drawing dot invalidate. This is what we have to do, and I'll just delete this previous one, this dot invalidate. And the logic, the code which we have written here on paint of this form, we can just bring to, we can just bring this to the panel drawing. Also this full event also we can remove it from here. So unnecessary triggering this event inside this on paint. So because this code which we have moved into this panel drawing paint. So now we have this panel white background, and we'll provide some values to this x1, so 5. So my coordinates will be starting from this left top corner. So I have given x as a 5, so it will start from like almost from here. I'm pointing this mouse here, and this y1 will be starting y1 also I'm giving 5. So this 5 comma 5 will appear from here, and towards the right hand side I'll be giving this value, let's say 100, and it will be stopping to this 100. And this y2 point also 5, because I wanted to make a horizontal line. And now I'm just selecting up from the drop down line, so it should draw this line. So this x1 y1 is starting from this 5 comma 5, and this y x2 y2 we have given 100. So this length of this line is appearing from this 5 to 100, so almost 95. And this is the 5 where it is ending the y, so it is showing this is a horizontal line. My line slope is 0. So same for the circle also, you can test from where we wanted to start this one. Let's say this I'm giving 5 comma 5, and this width and height is giving 100. If I'm changing it from circle, you can see the circle is getting drawn here.